Eraswap token is subject to market risk. Read Eraswap white paper, terms and conditions, and roadmap before participating.
Eraswap Blockchain Explorer is one place where you get live stats and analytics of Eraswap. Eraswap Explorer provides insights into blockchain with detailed block explorer for users' transparency. It displays live statistics, analytics, and information like transactions, smart contracts, latest bunch, block rewards, type of transaction, and other various stats of Eraswap. Let's see what data Eraswap Blockchain Explorer displays. Here you can switch to dark and light mode. This is a live price of Eraswap utility token in USDT, market cap of ES, and number of transactions per day. Here you can see the latest blocks. Here you can see information like average block time, total transactions, total blocks, wallet addresses. Here you can see Eraswap transactions with smart contracts details. To see all the blocks you can click here on View All Blocks, or you can also go to Blocks on menu bar and click on Blocks. By clicking on Read Contract button, we can see more details, like get total active staking, staking contract valid, owner, resolve address, resolve username, etc. For use any of this function, the user wallet must be logged in. Then here for get result you must enter details in box, and click on query button. By clicking on Write Contract button, we can see more details, like extend, merge in, split, transfer ownership, withdraw monthly NRT, etc. To use any of this function, the user wallet must be logged in. Then here for get result you must enter details in box, and click on Write button. User can also log into Eraswap Explorer by using their MetaMask wallet. You can click on block to open and see more details of a block. Details like block height, miner ID, gas used, hash, parent hash, difficulty, total difficulty, nonce. If you scroll down you can see number of transactions in a block. Here under blocks menu, you can see uncle's block. Currently there are no uncle's block. When a node misbehaves, then it creates some blocks which are out of network. It is also called soft forking. Under blocks you can also click on fork blocks, reorgs, to see fork coins. Blue ones are successful one and red ones are cancelled ones. By clicking on it you can see more transaction details. You can click on transaction and then logs, to see the reasons for the cancelled ones. By clicking on accounts menu you can see all the addresses. By clicking on addresses you can see more details like address details, transactions, internal transactions, coin balance history, logs, read contract, read proxy, write contract, white proxy. Under tokens menu all the tokens that are deployed will be listed here. You can search here on search bar for more token details of that token like, token transfers, token holders, read contract and more. Let's see what data apps menu displays. Go to dashboard under apps. Here you can see all major data in one place. Here is ES Health Checker. You can click here and check network's health. We can access all ES platforms by clicking on ES List of Platform drop-down button. These are all the calculators. You can inspect each calculator and calculate by clicking on Click Here. By scrolling down on same page, we can see more details here like A. Current average block time. B. The % complete of NRT release till date. C. Time remaining for next NRT released. D. And other important details. Here you can see to whom and how much NRT is distributed by clicking on NRT Manager. You can also inspect this by clicking on Wallet Address. When you scroll down you can also check ES Meter and ES Nanometer. Here in bottom we can see other links like A. ES White Paper. B. Eraswap DAO. C. Howey Test. D. Statutory Warning. E. Eraswap Terms and Condition. and also can see social media links. Visit Eraswap Blockchain Explorer and get a live statistics, analytics, and the latest information on various components of Eraswap ES token, such as ecosystem transactions, nodes, bunches, rewards calculations, and more. Now you know how to check stats and information on Eraswap Blockchain Explorer. Information you see on Explorer are live informations and it keeps getting updated.